Hi Meme 40 friends. The last time we met to talk about an Italy towel, I showed you how I used it in the shower to get rid of the dead skin cells on my body. Today I wanted to talk about some tips and common mistakes that people make when they are using the Italy towel. First tip that I wanted to give is please do not use this on your face. Someone left a question about whether they could use this on their face, and I hope I replied in time to the question to tell you please not to use this on your face, because if you look at the texture of the Italy towel, it's quite rough and it is very abrasive for the face. While exfoliation for the face is great, I have another video on what to do specifically for the face, and so check that out because it's another really easy step that you can do before going to bed at night, and it doesn't require a lot of time. With the Italy towel, you're using it on your face, it's going to be prone to a lot more irritation because of the fact that it is breaking a lot of the skin cell barriers and sometimes the moisture and elasticity that you really need for your skin to feel its best. When I was getting to know my husband, he told me that he does exfoliate his face, and he showed me this tool which actually really alarmed me. He was using an exfoliating glove like this, and this is also meant for the body, but you can get this at Shoppers Drug Mart, and it's also very textured. So he was taking this, putting soap on his face, not facial foam, but body soap, and then doing this up and down motion all over his face and neck. So when he was done, he would come out of the shower, his face would be beet red, and I advised him that probably this is a little too much and too aggressive. So this is the before picture of when he was using this glove. He's got a handsome face, but when he smiled, there was a certain tightness, and his face seemed to be dry most of the time, even in the summer months. And now that he has only been using this on his body, actually now I got him to convert to using the Korean Italy towel, and he was amazed at the amount of dead skin cells that were coming out from his arms and particularly his back. So now he only uses that on his body. It doesn't go anywhere near his face. Some of the elasticity seems to be restored. He's wearing sunscreen now, and so there's a number of things that he's doing that makes me really proud. But I think the number one thing in retaining the moisture and less dryness and tightness was not using one of these products on his face. The second tip that I wanted to share is probably a really important one because a lot of people, they take really quick showers. If you are using the Italy towel in the shower, you really need to spend at least a minimum of 10 minutes in warm water, making sure that the skin is a bit pruny. When the skin gets pruny, it means that it's achieved a certain level of dampness, and when you take the towel across your skin, it should remove an optimal level of dead skin cells. But if you're not waiting long enough and your skin hasn't been primed, if you're taking the Italy towel, like let's say you're using a more abrasive color and you're gliding across your skin, it's almost like when you do it with dry skin and you go over it multiple times, your skin is going to turn pinkish, often reddish. So this is just an illustration of what not to do, but already it hurts and your mind is associated with pain and discomfort. You're not gonna likely want to try it again. So the first couple of times you may make the mistake and come out of the shower and your skin might be beet red, irritated, you may see some broken blood vessels, and you will wonder, do I want to do this again? So really invest the time into making sure if it's a bath, soak yourself really thoroughly. If it's a shower, it would help to do other things like cleansing your face, washing your hair, and then that will buy some time for your skin on the body to get ready. So again, avoid the face area, make sure that the other areas of your body are dampened, and then do from here downwards. The arms, the back is a really great place to exfoliate because it's often neglected, and then the legs. Leave a comment below if you have tried this and how your skin felt afterwards. The third tip and common mistake that people make is sharing and commingling towels. So I really urge you not to do this, because the idea of someone's dead skin cell, like if the Italy towel is not properly rinsed after each use, you're taking your dead skin cells and then rubbing it across your husband or your children. These towels are very affordable, so please get one for each member of the family, thinking in mind the skin conditions and needs of each person. So if someone is very sensitive, then you would want to purchase the pink towel. If it's a moderate level of dry skin, then try the green towel. And for someone who has really rough patches and who hasn't exfoliated and probably needs something a little bit more aggressive, then you want to go for the yellow or the blue towel. So if you found this video helpful and you want to purchase an Italy towel, check out my other video where I give tips on what to look for when you're buying an Italy towel. In the description box of this video and also my other videos, I'm leaving a link to where I thought would be a good way for Canadians to purchase it at a very economical price, and it's also one that's made in Korea. I have been searching for Italy towels to bring into Canada, and I'm being quite selective because the original manufacturer of the one that I was using when I was young, it actually dissolved, so the company no longer exists. They are abundantly available in Korea, and so the one that I bring into Canada, I want it to be as close as possible in terms of cost and quality, and manufactured in Korea. Don't forget to brush the like button and subscribe button, and until next time, I'll see you with better skin. Thanks, Me and 40 community, and take care.